Open house this Sunday, May 8th, from 12:30 to 2 p.m. Have you been looking for a well-maintained duplex? Here it is. This property has 3 bedrooms with full eat-in kitchen with dishwasher and living room on the upper level. The upper level kitchen and living room has durable plank flooring and more natural wood can be found in many areas of the property. Downstairs, you will find a 2-bedroom unit with another full kitchen with dishwasher and living room. Each unit has their own private entrance. The backyard is fenced. The upper unit has central AC and the lower level has a window/wall AC unit. There is a 1-stall attached garage. The units share laundry. Live in one and rent out the other or use this as an investment property. Buyer/buyer